Hello and welcome once again to this channel. So in today's video we're going to go through the question 20 of the WAEC 2025 mathematics objective questions. So we have here that two ball bearings have volumes 1.6 centimeter cubed and 5.4 centimeter cubed. Find the ratio of their surface areas. Option A is 4:9, option B is 2:3, option C is 3:8, and option D is 5:12. Okay, so one thing I want you to note here is, first of all, you can note that the first number in the ratio is always less than the higher number in the ratio. So we have, in the first one, we have 4 and 9, which 4 is less than 9. Second one, we have 2 and 3, 2 is less than 3. In the third one, we have 3 and 8, which is 3 is less than 8. In the fourth one, we have 5 and 12, which 5 is less than 12. So it means that we're talking about the smaller volume or the smaller ball with respect to the bigger ball. So it is going to be in terms of 1/2. We're going to go through that. I'm going to show you what I actually mean right now. So in terms of the ball, we're going to be talking about the ratio of the B1, the first ball, over the second ball, because the first ball has a volume of 1.6 and the second one had 5.4. That means that the first one is actually smaller than the bigger one. Okay, so let's go into solving that right now. Now we know that the volume of a sphere, because we're talking about ball bearings, so that means they are spherical. So the volume of a sphere is given by V is equal to 4/3 pi r cubed. Okay, so in terms of the first volume, V1, so it's going to be equal to 4/3 pi r1 all cubed, right? So which is the first radius, and this is given to us as 1.6 centimeter cubed. The ratio also, sorry, the volume of the second ball is also going to be equal to V2, which is going to be equal to 4/3 pi r2 all cubed, and that was given to us as 5.4 centimeter cubed. Okay, so now the ratio of the first volume to the second volume, which is something as V1 over V2, is going to be equal to 4/3 pi r1 all cubed divided by 4/3 pi r2 all cubed. So 4/3 is going to also cancel with 4/3. Pi is cancelling this pi, and then we're also going to just be left with r1 cubed over r2 all cubed. So we can actually take these cubes, and so that we're going to have something like r1 over r2 all cubed. Okay, now we are given that this v1 is similar to what? 1.6, and v2 is similar to what? 5.4. And after solving this, we're going to have that this is equal to 8/27. Okay, so we have that r1 over r2 all cubed is equal to 8/27. Okay, so if we take the cube root of both sides, so the cube root of 8 is 2 and the cube root of 27 is 3. So the cube root cancels this cube. So we're going to have that the ratio of r1 to r2 is going to be equal to 2/3. Okay, now we're actually asked to find the ratio of their surface area. Okay, now the formula for surface area S is equal to 4 pi r square for any spherical ball. Okay, so in this case right now, the surface area for the first ball, which is S1, is going to be equal to 4 pi r1 all squared, and that of the second ball, which is F2, is going to be equal to 4 pi r2 all squared. So the ratio of the first ball, which is S1, to that of the second ball is going to be equal to 4 pi arrow 1 all squared to 4 pi arrow 2 all squared. And so 4 is going to cancel 4, pi is going to cancel pi, then we're going to be left with arrow 1 squared over arrow 2 all squared. We can take the square so that we're going to have it to be equal to arrow 1 over arrow 2 all squared. But we know that r1 to r2 is actually equal to 2 over 3. So therefore, r1 over r2 all squared is going to be equal to 2 over 3 all squared, which is same thing as 4 over 9. Okay, so that is it. So now, expressing this fraction in terms of ratio, we're going to have that S1 ratio S2 is going to be equal to 4 ratio 9. Which one is 4 ratio 9? That is option A. So option A is the correct answer out of these options. So based on what we've learned in this video, here's a similar question for you to solve. It says, two spheres have volumes 8 centimeter cubed and 27 centimeter cubed. Find the ratio of their surface area. Option A is 2 ratio 3. Option B is 4 ratio 9. Option C is 8 ratio 27. And option D is 16 ratio 81. So solve this question and drop your answers or solution method in the comment section. If you like this video, help me by subscribing to this channel. Also share the video with your colleagues. And also, if you have any other questions or issues, you can drop them in the comment section and I'll do well to attend to you. Without much further ado, I'll leave you to it that math is easy. Have a nice day. Thank you.